everyone, I'm REENA Gabriella Raja of grade 11. I have been nominated to participate in the SPL election of Muthamil Public School and my symbol is Idea Bulb. Muthamil Public School is a beautiful garden and I'm a new seed who have been sown here. You may think why a new student is taking part in the SPL election. I am confident because I have an experience of being a head girl. I know what are the workloads and the responsibilities of a head girl. I want to be a leader who brings out bursting ideas and helps the students to bring glories to our school. I want to be a leader who listens to people more than speaking and I want people to initiate things. I want to be a leader who behaves like a bulb. I don't want to glow or brighten myself. I want to help people glow and brighten themselves. And in a dark road, it will be hard for people to travel. So I want to be a light in the dark road which helps people to travel to their destination. So I request you all to vote me and make me win. So I'll glow your future. And our symbol is bulb. Kindly vote for me.